Well, there we go. It's the last day of July and British summer has truly arrived. Look at this rain. It's been very dry for the last couple of months and pretty hot, but the last couple of weeks not so hot. And it's not hot today. But look at that rain. Global warming. How's the weather been where you are this summer? Has it been dry, cold, wet? I think this is summer over now in the UK, and I think it's going to rain all through August. Look at that. Hose pipe ban, forget about it. Look at that. At least the grass will come back. It's been very yellow for the last couple of months. But there we go. I will get back to work in the garden when it stops raining.